Hey traders, this is a vid about Malaysian SNR. First I'll give you a short introduction and then I will show you how to use my indicator on TradingView for a day trading strategy. Alright, so let me first explain some basics of Malaysian SNR. In this concept you have three kind of levels of support and resistance, and two of them you can find on a line chart. The first one is here, the A level. The origin of this level is a peak on the line chart, which looks a bit like the letter A. The next one is called a V level because it is at a valley of the chart, which looks like the letter V. This is why you call it a V level. Simple. You can find these levels easily on a line chart, but to see and to mark the other kind of level, which is called a gap, you have to switch to a bar chart. Because this level is between two same colored candlesticks, where the first one closed and the next one opened. Okay, now we know which kind of levels we have, but a level can be fresh or unfresh. If a level like this support is touched by a wick, it is not fresh anymore. It is called unfresh or tested. If it is unfresh, then it is more likely that price is going through this level, that this support is not going to hold. Like it can be seen here by this candle going through support, and it is turning the support into a resistance, which is making the level fresh again. And at this point here you can see that it acts as resistance. The up close candle seems to reject the level. Above we also have untested or fresh resistance levels, and the trend is to the downside. So the basic idea is to see that price is rejecting a fresh level of a higher time frame and then switch to a lower time frame to trade in the direction of the higher time frame trend. So let me show you this with my Malaysian SNR level indicator that displays the levels and also the state, if they are fresh or unfresh. You can decide whether you want to display fresh levels only, and also how many levels you want to see above or below the current price. No matter how many levels you decide to display, the algorithm of the indicator displays the closest levels around the price. You see that fresh levels are displayed as solid lines, and the style of the unfresh levels is dashed. My higher time frame here is the daily chart, and the current candle already closed, but you see it tested two levels of resistance. I draw a vertical line here to see that this is the end of the day, and also mark the fresh levels of resistance. Perhaps they're going to be tested the next day, and also these levels of support as potential take profits because my bias is bearish. Why? Because we are in a pullback of a daily bearish trend. To better see the trend, you can use my Gann Swing Chart indicator that draws a line for every trend. The link is added to the description below. It's free. Okay, now I switch to a lower time frame, in this case the 15 minutes, to see if we are reaching these levels of resistance of the higher time frame the next day. The start of the day we are going sideways, and then in the New York session, where I want to trade this pair, we are reaching the upper level of resistance, and now let's see if we are forming a bearish structure. And here you see this is a typical M formation on this time frame. Price is forming a level of support and then support is lost. Okay, refer to Trader Sumo, gaining and losing support. But I will explain the entries in the ebook that you get as a TG member on my Patreon. I call this type of entry a trend confirmation entry. It has a high win rate according to my tests, and the first TP I set to the level of support of the higher time frame that we found the day before, and the risk to reward in this case is already 1 to 1.5. Now you could take partials or move to break even and then try to aim for the second TP, the higher time frame support below. And in this case we are reaching the TP. Of course this is not always the case, but this is the basic idea, combining higher time frame Malaysian SNR key levels and lower time frame entries. With that you can find, in my opinion, high probability setups. As I said, the indicator is the Malaysian SNR level indicator on TradingView. The link is in the description below, and you can get it if you become a TG member on my Patreon. Here is the link below the description of the indicator. You can see it, the TG member membership that you can join, and you get the indicator, you get the ebook about Malaysian SNR, and also access to the Discord. You get a special role so that you can see my daily SNR trading setups. Alright, that's it again. I hope you liked the video and the channel. If you do, then please don't forget to subscribe. All links are in the description below. Become a TG member on my Patreon to get the book, the indicator, and also access to the Discord. See you soon here on the Trading Guide.